Thank you for joining in, and for today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create these peach pink flowers, and it's going to be a corner piece. And I am inserting this extra footage right here because my hand was in the way a little bit on some of the shots, so like I said, I'm going to include this right up front here. This is how to do just a basic rose. So you're going to use some variation and pressure with your strokes between the thick and the thin, and you want to add a little bit extra paint only in the middles. And then right here I'm just using water on the brush to feather it out and help the gradation there a little bit, because I want the petals on the end to be really light. There's a quick overview, and then I'm going to go over some basic leaves right here too. And for these I'm just using the one color. For the rose I mixed some orange, like a pastel pink, and some yellow. And the leaves I kept really simple. It's just the one deep shade of green here. And now I'm going to get into the actual tutorial here. So again, we're going to use a little bit of that pastel pink, the yellow, and orange, and I did water it down quite a bit because I wanted some of these roses to be peach. And we're going to start off in the corner, because this is a corner piece tutorial instead of just like all the florals in the middle, something a little bit different. They also come in handy if you're into like scrapbooking, or some of the, you just do a border around whatever it is you're doing there, and then you can do calligraphy in the center. So it's fun to experiment with different placements. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Be sure to like the video and subscribe.